This car is Lexus RX350, 2008 to 2011 model car. V6 engine 3500cc. The problem of this car is that if the air condition is turned on after starting the car engine, the air condition inside the car does not cool. Why is the AC of the car not cold? What is the cause of this problem? Now I turned on the air condition of the car, but the air condition is not cooling. Why is the air conditioner not cold? AC climate control is no problem. So now I will go outside the car and see if the AC gas is full, because if the AC gas is low, the AC compressor and cooling fan will not work. So I would first check if there is a problem with the car AC not cooling the air. Check that the AC of the car is full of gas. There is no problem with the gas. You see, the car's cooling fan is not working. The magnet class pulley of the compressor does not work and does not run. Because the magnet class pulley of the cooling fan and compressor does not run, the air of the AC of the car does not cool. I check what causes the cooling fan and compressor magnet class pulley not working. First, check the air condition fuse and relay. This is a compressor magnet class relay. There is no problem with this car relay. This car has no problems with fuses and relays, everything is fine. Now I will check with Iscan computer to see if there is any AC fault code or not. Select the car year and then click to check the fault code. Click air condition to check with scan computer. And click read fault code. Check the air condition fault code is B1479 flow sensor circuit. I will check with the scan computer whether the flow sensor is good or not. Keep the ignition switch in the on position to check the flow sensor with the scan computer. First click on data stream to check the flow sensor's reading in volts. Now scroll down to find the flow sensor. 25 number is AC flow sensor reading volt. You will see AC flow sensor reading signal volts 2.92. AC flow sensor reading signal voltage is low. AC compressor and cooling fan are not working due to low voltage. No wiring problem. Note that a good AC flow sensor reading signal should be 4.0 to 5.0 volts. Now I will change the AC flow sensor of the Lexus RX 3.5 car and install a new AC flow sensor. How to change the AC flow sensor? The AC flow sensor is attached to the compressor. You can change the top side if you want. So you can remove your cooling fan and change the sensor. See, I am showing you where the flow sensor is from the site below. Look at the upper side of the middle of the compressor. This is the AC flow sensor. I will change the flow sensor on this car by opening the AC compressor down and taking it out. I will change the flow sensor to remove the AC compressor, the cable connection, the two AC gas line pipes and the fan valve must be removed. The AC compressor is held in place by 4 screw bolts. To remove the compressor, the two double-ended threaded stud screws on the top of the compressor must be unscrewed and pulled out. With everything open, I will now take out the compressor. Now I will open the AC compressor flow sensor to change it. The flow sensor on the AC compressor is held in place by an internal circlip lock pin that I will remove. Use internal straight to open AC compressor flow sensor internal circlip lock pin. Now take out the AC flow sensor after opening the internal circlip lock pin. If there is a problem with the AC flow sensor reading voltage, the problem with your air condition may be like this. For example, the car starts the cold engine in the morning, the air condition is turned on, the cooling fan and the AC compressor are working. After running for some time, if you turn off the air condition and turn on the AC again, the air condition does not cool. The cooling fan and AC compressor do not work. Now I will install this new flow sensor inside the compressor. Now that I've installed the AC flow sensor into the compressor, I'll install the internal circlip lock pin. change the AC flow sensor in this way. Installation of AC flow sensors is complete. Now I will reinstall the AC compressor. Once the AC compressor is well tightened with the screws, now I will complete the installation by installing the sensor wire socket and the AC gas pipes. After installing everything of the compressor, install the serpentine fan belt. Now I have connected the air condition gas meter and will install the AC gas. AC gas has been installed. Now enter the car and clear the fault code with scan computer. To clear the air condition fault code, first keep the ignition key switch in the on position. Now I will first clear the fault code with the scan computer. Click Clear Fault Code to clear the fault code. The fault code is cleared. Now I will again click Read Fault Code to see if there is a fault code or not. OK, done. Clear fault code. Now there is no fault code. Now I click on the data stream to see the reading volts of the flow sensor. Now scroll down and see number 25 is the flow sensor. See now flow sensor reading volt is 4.20 correct. Because the reading volt must be 4.0 to 5.0. Remember to keep the ignition switch in the on position to check the flow sensor reading voltage with the computer. Now I will start the car engine and turn on the air condition to see if the AC blows cold air or not. Now I turned on the air condition. Now the air of the air conditioner is feeling cold. Now I put the temperature test meter of the air condition to check how cold the air condition is. Now I will go outside the car and check if AC compressor and cooling fan are running or not. See now gas meter low pressure and high pressure is okay. AC cooling fan is working now and see magnet clasp pulley of AC compressor is working now, no problem. Now I go inside the car and see how cold the air condition is. Now the air conditioner is cooling by 0.6 degrees Celsius. Inshallah now there is no problem with air condition. Please comment if you have trouble understanding anything after watching the video. Thank you very much for watching the video.